I walk through ashes, slow and bare. The dreams I had fade into air. The wind is humming through the trees, like someone calling out to me. My eyes are dry, my soul is tired. The path ahead feels lost, expired. Alone I stand in silent wood, where only birds still understood. But I believe though I may fall, the light will find me after all. Yesterday cut deep and wide, but this new dawn is mine to write. I've learned to smile beneath the rain. You scar a story I now own, a piece of strength I've never known. Maybe I won't be who I was, but I am more because I lost. Beneath the trees I hear it clear. My heart says go, no need to fear. I've walked through all I thought would break, to find the joy that silence makes. Not in glory, not in fame, but in a heart that still remains.